Hello guys, my name is Rahul Chaudhary and welcome back to my video. Today I was on two questions. So quickly I want to share my screen and I want to show you both of the problem. So first one is a ransom notes and the second one is a happy numbers. So both are the simple question, not the really hard question, but it's all about the logics, right? How to use your logics, how to use your mind in your problem, how your approach, right? Because the in the programming we required the optimized version of your code. So in the ransom node, I will start with the ransom node. In the description, given a two string, ransom node and the magazine. Return true if ransom node can be constructed by using the letter from magazine. Otherwise, return the false. Means element. If the elements is not included in the magazine, then we want to return the false because it is not constructed by the magazine. So we want to check this if it is constructed. If it is not, then we return false. So you can false because the magazine ransom note it is not created by magazine, right? Both are the different value a and b, so we return the false. But in the example 2, you can see ransom note have a value as a double a and magazine have value as a av, but that is also not correct, right? Because the ransom note is not made by the magazine characters, so it will also return the false. In the example 3, you can see ransom note have a value as a double a and magazine have a double value as a double a B. So using the magazine characters, the ransom note is created, right? Double A is included in the inside the magazine value, right? So it will return the true. So what will be the approach? So approach, if you are talking about the brute force approach, so you can divide, we can split and sorting and using, right? It's included or not included. We just check it, but it will take some extra time and space complexity. Else we can do one thing using the maps. We can take maps and set maps. We are set character magazine after running second loop, and we can check ransom not character is inside the map or not. Right? If it is not, then return the false directly. It will take n of time complexity, but the code is lengthy, right? So I will use simple one approach. The code is very uh, less and anyone can understand this, right? So here I have take one loop. It will run to the magazine characters and we just replace it magazine character if it has inside the uh, ransom note, right? We are replacing with the empty. If after become this operation, if ransom not become the empty, right? if if the ransom not have all the characters using with the magazine, then it will become the empty. If it is not become empty, then we can say that it is not uh, uh, ransom not. So here we will return the r not equal to r, right? Not r. So it's a ransom note question and this is a happy number question. In the description write algorithm to determine if number n is happy or not. So look the cut with this happy number is the number. So okay, means that process is satisfied the condition, then we can say it is a happy number. So the process is start starting with any positive integer. Replace the number by the sum of the square of its digits. So is first we need to check it's positive number or not. So after this checking, we are replace to the square of this digit, right? Just replace the numbers by sum of the square of its digit, and repeat, and we want to repeat this process until the numbers equal to 1, or it loops endlessly in a cycle which does not include 1. So those number for which this process ends in 1 are happy. There are, so you want to check whether it is happy or not. So there are given the condition like if the sum of the squares of its digits is become the 1, then you can say it's happy. But it's some some of the number they are not happy in for this condition. So we want to reason like if the loops become the endless. Endless means there are some repetition. If we are finding the repetition, then we can say it become the endless cycle. Uh, uh, and it all of the digit where I will directly interact every time. Some of the uh, means it is a uh, or not, right? So negative, then we return the false. And I have take one set. So we want to find repetition of cycle. If we find the repeated value, then we just return the false because it is not a it is become the endless cycle. So I have take one set. I have take one while loop that check set dot has, and if it is included means it's true, then we are the loop becomes the false and we are returning this, returning false, right? So if there are not true, then it is inside the loop, going inside loop, and we are adding this n number to the set, and after this we are just sum of the squares of its digit doing this performance, and check if n become the one or not. If n's become one, then return true, right? The process it will start and is running till to the, if we are not finding the one, different logic. Thank you so much.